My name is Dr. Brian Kunakom. I am a naturopathic doctor here. So to answer that question in terms of recipe, an example recipe, let me show you exactly how should we have a ketogenic diet. I've made two recipes here in front of me, and this actually is the ketogenic diet. A lot of people might think this brownie might not be a ketogenic diet, but let me tell you that making this brownie, the whole thing, the whole batch, this is only an eighth of what we made. So it's 2,300 calories, 62 grams of carbs, 200 grams of fat, 65 grams of protein. 1/8 of that would be 15 grams of carbs. So this gives us a good example of a ketogenic diet that they can use as a snack. Now, my main course is actually right over here is a chicken keto blast, what they call it. We have here broccoli, some carrots, a little bit of salad greens, chicken, and the base for this is actually in the sauce. The olive oil would be the main fat being used here. By breaking down the macronutrient, we see that this whole thing is 600 calories, composes of 50 grams of fat, 7.5 grams of carbs. So let's try tasting it if it actually is edible. This is a very good example of people who think that ketogenic diet is too difficult to follow. They can't see what it looks like, and they feel like there's too much compliance involved. But once you actually get a hang of it, it's actually pretty easy. So the most important part of actually the ketogenic diet, and if you're trying to make it edible and you're trying to get a presentation that's similar to a restaurant, is actually in the sauces. We tend to throw away the sauces, but in this case, it's crucial to actually finish the sauces because of the fats that are found within the sauce. But for the brownies, we don't have to worry about the sauce. Most of the fats, the coconut oil is already in there, and the main fat that is found in this brownie is actually flaxseed, some almonds, and almond butter, and the coconut oil. So this is one good example of the ketogenic diet. If you have any further questions or you want to know more about what I do or how to fix your lifestyle, do not forget to subscribe with us on Facebook, YouTube, and Instagram. Right over here.